Hey, how we doing, guys? Junior Diaz here, aka Junior the Trader. All right, when I say that I'm excited to show this to you guys, man, I'm really excited. It's just something I've been working on for the last few weeks, and just being able to kind of see the little hacks and whatnot is, man, it's pretty cool. As forever student in this industry and in this market, honestly, and man, let me get straight to it, guys. All right, so one last thing, guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like it, share it if you can. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. You know, that's the first little goal. I can't do it without you guys, so let's see what we can do together, guys. Let's continue to grow. Much love. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get straight to it. On this, I'm not gonna speak on no specific strategy, as this is just more as tips and what to look out for on things that I've been able to notice. And I just wanted to share with you guys. I do have a strategy on this, and that's in my VIP mentorship. Well, not really mentorship, but it's my VIP package. Um, All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. I'm not really gonna explain much of a strategy. I'm just gonna give you guys like the tips and hints that I've been able to spot out. Okay, and that is this. Okay, so if we go down to the 5 minute time frame every day, and we mark down the 12th hour, 12th hour on every day, 12th hour on every day. What happens after the 12th hour? Price does a significant move. 12-hour, significant move. 12-hour, significant move. 12-hour, significant move. Uh, 12-hour, significant move. Consolidation, but 12-hour, significant move. So I've been able to kind of, you know, come with the conclusion, that oh, look at me trying to sound all. I just, it kind of it gave me an eye-opening thing, that the market, basically moves stronger at the 12th hour. So what I was gonna do, and I started doing some back testing, and this thing it's very consistent. That's why I'm not gonna speak on my strategy on what I use for this, but overall, guys, overall, like if you use this and apply it to your skill set, I'm sure it'll give you like a cleaner, you know, uh, indication, on being on the right side of the market. So as we can see, so here we have the 12th hour, right? Some of the things that I was doing, right, is grabbing the high and the low of the previous session, but before the 12th hour. So like in the beginning of the day, once I get price doing a significant drop, right? I would just wait for the low. I would just wait for the low or a high to be broken and go for X and X type of pips. So like if it's a previous structure, 27 pips. So we'll just go for the 27 pips. All right. So let's go to a different time. Let's do this right here. So on this day, the 12th hour happens here and we get a significant move, right? So I would get the high of the day, and the low. Now we just wait for a price to break one of these levels, right? So here it broke it. Boom, 34 pips, 36 pips. I would go for 36 pips. Does the 36 hit? Yes, it does. All right, so for this next example right here, okay, so we get the 12th hour here. We already have the high and the low. It broke the high, and we come back retest, and we can take it. Previous structure, 30 pips. Does it go up 30 pips? Yes, it does. Okay. Another one here. All right. 12th hour, we have the high, we have the low. Boom. How many pips? 42 pips. Does it go up to 42 pips? It doesn't go up to 42 pips, but it does go 25 pips. All right. So here's another one here. The 12th hour here. I get the high, I get the low. Once it breaks the high, we'll go previous 53 pips. 53 pips. So why am I, able to hold it just a little bit longer? Well, I do it personally because I see that the market moves tremendously on the at the 12th hour. So it's like right here, I have my high, my low, 12th hour begins, price breaks below the low, previous structure, 27 pips, excuse me, 27 pips. Okay. Let's see. On this one, there wouldn't have been a setup. Wait, yes, there would have, because it broke the high right here, 18 pips. It went 13 pips. Okay. And this stuff is pretty awesome. Okay. So let's go to another example. Like here, you got the 12th hour. High, low. The high gets taken out. 23 pips. The 23 pips get back. Okay, so for this one, so here's the 12th hour, somewhere here. High, low, breaks the low, boom, going for it. It's 25 pips. Will it go down to 25 pips? Yes, it will. All right, so on this next day, 12th hour, price, I have my high, I have my low. What does the 12 hour do? The 12 session do? Price breaks it, stop loss 30 pips, take profit 30 pips. And you get this every day. Okay, this happens every day. So see, like the 12th hour here, it breaks the low, 42 pips, 42 pips. Okay, so it's just something I just wanted to, just share this information with you guys. All right, so what's another thing to look at is how the market closes, like on the period separator. Another thing that you can do is add the 21 moving average, right, to look for trend. But as you can see, this closed high, the next day closed high, the day after that closed high. So there's that pattern that, like, if you have a strong push to the upside one day, your strong push to the upside the next day is probably going to happen. Okay, so these are just little tools that come in handy. What can I say? Like, if you guys have a strategy and you can, and this helps, let me know, guys. Let me know. Like I said, this 12th hour is golden. The market moves very well on the 12th hour. Market moves very well on the 12th hour. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you guys use this with, or if you guys just use it by itself, right? Like I said, I wouldn't recommend anything by itself. The more the confluence, the better. Like I said, I do have a strategy on this. It's called the Midnight Pip Dancer. And just because, I mean, no, you guys know I'm weird with the name, so I just called it because the midnight is the 12th hour, right? And the pip dancer is just because, hey, I mean, you know, professional entertainers aren't the only ones that dance when they make money. I catch these pips, and I'm doing me a little dance. So I just went ahead and thought of that name right there. But like I said, this video is just to giving you guys a heads up on the 12th hour, and be on the lookout for how price reacts to those sessions according to your trade plan, according to your strategy. If you want access to what I use to my strategy, um, so here's this. All right, so I do have my website up already. All right, so I put absolutely my advanced courses on the website, such as the KDD, okay, the 1 minute scalping strategy. I put my MHF reversal, and the MHF reversal is the intraday, okay, advanced as well. And now I put this midnight pip dancer, and I have, the testimonials of students, from previous courses that have took all of these VIP, that have took all these courses, right? So I'm the type that I don't teach like you I don't teach the same structure, the same it's not the same approach in every strategy. There's always a different approach, and I use things differently in every strategy. So if you want access to all those three strategies, you can get on my website. I'm going to post a link below, but you can have access to all that for $100. Okay, for $100 one-time fee, and you have access to all three of those strategies. And like I said, guys, it's pretty good stuff. There's over 2.5 hours of content on there. And if you guys decide to join, I'm looking forward to see you guys grow and to actually test out the strategies. And yeah, guys, there's two plans. One's the $100, and that gets you access to all three, all three strategies. And there's a $300 package, where on that one is just you get access to a live trading session 3 times a week. So I'm shooting for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay. So and those will most likely be held at the 12th hour, okay, when the 12th hour begins. But I hope you guys find this very useful. Short video, not really much going over a strategy, but how you guys can use this with your strategy, um, or with your, yeah, with your trading approach. Like if you trade like my STFU, boom, good deal. Like I'm below. Look, so at the moment, I'm above the 100 move. I mean, yeah, above the 21 moving average, right? So what would I be looking for a buy, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and go here. I'm gonna go to the 12th hour. What happens on the 12th hour in the 5 minute? Hopefully it lets me go all the way back up there. All right, so at the 12th hour, I have price closing above the 21 on the 5 minute, stop loss at the low of the candle, right? So it would be here, 33 pips. Now we're target 33 pips. So you can use this, and you know in any way that it helps, for you to be right with your bias or give you that extra confidence in your bias, right? If it goes against your trade plan, then simply don't use it. But like I said, this 12-hour is golden. Okay. The 12-hour session from 12 to 0, it's where it's at as far as movement. Hopefully you guys, see the value in this, and let me know how you guys use it, guys. And like I said, once again, if you guys want access to this, to all my 3 advanced classes, to my 3 advanced strategies, it's a one-time $100 fee. Okay. So let's get it, guys. Also, please go ahead and click that like, the subscribe, and share this for me. Okay. The goal is to hit the 500 subscribers, and I'm really trying to do this YouTube thing, guys. So I can't do it without you guys. More content will be on the way, and let's get it, guys. Much love.